My name's Will, this is Mark. We've just attended the Next Level HMO Platform 3-day workshop. It was a really good 3 days with a load of content in it.
Found these guys very informative. I've been doing HMOs for nearly 20 years, but on a smaller scale. We were looking to scale up and do the larger, hence the next level HMOs, and the information that they provide is second to none, and the knowledge they've got is brilliant. Sourcing the types of properties you need, analysing them, and then afterwards going through them with you to achieve what you want to achieve. And from that 3-day workshop we have signed up to their mastermind program. So all good.
Yeah, do you think all good? Yeah, and I would definitely recommend it. Anyone else that's thinking about doing it, I'd definitely recommend going on it. And yeah,
if you're looking to do HMOs and certainly the larger stuff, which we are, I'd highly recommend it.